Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make money with Zapier and ChatGPT. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then type zapier.com and then create your account. Now, if you don't know what is this Zapier I'm talking to, so Zapier is an internet platform that facilitates a data transfer between various web apps enabling process automation. In order to automate the execution of repetitive tasks, it accomplishes this by automatically connecting and synchronizing the actions of the majority of the apps and software utilized in your business. So, in order to accomplish this, you'll need ZAPs, which are automated procedures that connect two or more of your online applications like Gmail to YouTube to ChatGPT, something like that. A trigger and the ensuing automatic actions are the two components that make up a ZAP. The trigger is the initial occurrence that initiates the pre-program action and sets off the ZAP. So in order to use Zapier as effectively as possible, it is best to first identify all businesses, process, and then develop it. So, for example, your business needs an automation of the following here for Google Forms, Trello, we have here Notion, Delay by Zapier, and so on. So, all you have to do is just simply click this one in order for you to create an automation. So to create an account, all you have to do is to tap sign up. Now here you can sign up with Facebook, sign up with Microsoft. You can type email, first name, last name, and get started for free. Or you can just simply connect your Google account here. Okay, so it's very easy to use, no codings. You can use the 14-day trial of premium, something like that. So now we have here help us customize your experience by telling us a bit about yourself. Let's just say this one is for project management. How many employees does your company have? Let's just say it's a small company with 1 to 49 employees. And then after that, tap continue. So here you can choose what apps do you use. So like what I've mentioned earlier, if you run a business and you need a support, or let's just say you need the following platforms here, such as Gmail, or you also need Trello, you also need ChatGPT, you need Notion. Okay, what else? You need YouTube. Okay, you need Instagram or Shopify. Okay, so if you can see that application here, you can search above if you're looking for, let's just say, WordPress, okay, and you can't find it here, then all you have to do is just search for the application. Once you have selected these applications, then you can now create a Zap. Okay, so you just have to simply tap the plus here, or you can tap this create a Zap in order for you to create this automation. So you have here, if you choose this YouTube, Gmail, okay, Shopify, Gmail, Shopify, and then YouTube, and then Gmail. So you can see it right here. So we have this recommended for you, or they have this recommended for you. All you have to do is to tap that. Now, why is this Zapier a very famous and popular nowadays? So if you go to, websites like Fiverr, where you can find work or you can find job, if you are expert or if you know how to make Zapier, you can create an account on Fiverr and post your information here. For example, these are the people who are expert in creating or making Zapier. And then they earn that amount by creating Zapier integration. Talking about Upwork, if you go to Upwork and then type this Zapier keyword, then you will see here tons of people who earn money by making Zapier integration. Okay, you can see here the amount or the salary, the money that they earn by just doing this. Okay, and actually, you can also do this one. You can earn this one once you know how Zapier works, then it's not impossible for you to do that. Okay, so you can see the information of this person, okay, how much he earns per month, okay, and something like that. So if you question about does it need codings or Python or something like that, how can you start? Because you have zero knowledge about this Zapier. Don't worry. It's the reason why we need ChatGPT. Okay, so of course you need to create an account in order for you to use ChatGPT. Now, because I have zero knowledge about Zapier, I have here a question for ChatGPT. So, can you help me create a Zap template for Gmail and YouTube automation for my business? And I am so amazed with ChatGPT's response to my question. Okay, so we have here step by step on how to use or create a Zapier account. So step one, create Zapier account. Step two, create a news app. Step three, choose a trigger app. Step four, connect your Gmail account. Step five, trigger options. Six, test a trigger. Seven, choose an action app. Eight, connect your YouTube account. Nine, set up account options. Test the action, turn on your Zap, name your Zap, review, and finish. And that's it. So as you can see here, you don't need to be really expert for you to create or for you to do this Zapier integration. Okay, so it's a very big help if you ask ChatGPT on how to create a Zapier account or how to start. Okay, now if you're not satisfied with this, I mean, information that you can get from ChatGPT, then you can proceed with learning Zapier by taking up any online courses, okay? Or you can go to Zapier because they also offer this. I mean, you can learn Zapier by just going to their site and then tap this or type this Zapier learn. So you can see the following here: app skill with Zapier, okay, troubleshooting your zaps, filters and paths, time your zaps, triggering zaps, and so on. So once you tap this get started, it will take you directly to this next site. Okay, so getting started with Zapier start. And then here we have intro to automation. So you can tap this one, building your first app. If you're not satisfied with this, then you can go to YouTube. Okay, there are tons of sites and channels that can help you to know more about Zapier. Okay, and there are also free Zapier courses online. All you have to do is to type free Zapier courses online. And then here you can see different sites that can help you, or the sites also offer free automation tutorial. All you have to do is to tap this go to course, okay? And as you can see, this is for free. So you don't need to pay, you don't need to purchase something in order for you to learn Zapier. Okay. Now, if you are not satisfied with those sites, then you can simply type Zapier courses for free. Then you can choose any of the sites here. Okay, and then learn Zapier. Okay, so if you ask or if you're wondering if Zapier is hard to learn, so there's an answer for that. So there's a learning curve for sure, but Zapier has excellent beginner guides and learning resources, meaning it's not that really hard to learn. It doesn't need codes, it doesn't need Python or HTML and so on. Okay. So there are tons of sites that can help you to start learning Zapier, okay, and earn money now. Now, if you're tired going to those sites, or if you're tired typing and looking for the best sites to give you answer, and then you can go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT again, what is Zapier? How does it works? How can I start with Zapier? Okay, you can ask ChatGPT. You can also ask ChatGPT step-by-step automation. Yes, ChatGPT will answer. So as you can see, this is the sample answer from ChatGPT. So pretty simple, right? All you have to do is to go to Zapier.com and then create an account and then follow these steps. Okay, here's the link. So create a Zap for step two, three, choose a trigger application. Step 4, set up trigger options. Step 5, test the trigger. 6, choose an action application. Set up action options. Test the action. We have here step 9, turn on your Zap. 10, name your Zap. And then 11, review and finish. And 12, there's a monitor your Zap here. So that's it. All you have to do is to learn how to create, how to use, how to do the Zapier integration. And Zapier offers more than 5,000 tools to help businesses automate tasks more easily. Learning how to use Zapier and providing digitalization and automation services on Fiverr's Zapier category, Upwork, or other sites, which has low competition and high demand, are two ways freelancers can earn money. Okay, so with Zapier, you can earn money by just providing these automation services and going or creating an account on freelancing sites. Zapier allows you to automate tasks and processes in your business if it uses multiple web application. This can save you money and time. You could also make money by assisting companies in streamlining their workflows if you provide Zapier automation services to other people. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.